Hello, everybody. Thank you for joining today's Jira training session. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to get a dashboard created in Jira. So once you have your project already opened or your application open, all you need to do is navigate your way through to the dashboard section. You can find that at the top panel of on your screen. In here, as you can see where I do have my Your Work Project Filters dashboard. So what you need to go do is go to the dashboard section by clicking on them. And at the bottom on that pop-up, you would see it says Create Dashboard, okay? So there are two things you need to be mindful of when creating dashboards, and that is making sure that once you've created this dashboard, you've set the permissionings right in here. So you want everybody to be able to view your dashboard, or if in your organization you have a team and you're creating a dashboard for a particular team, you can specify in there if you want just everybody to be able to access it, or you want just people in a particular project to be able to access your dashboard. So it depends on what you put in there. But for the purpose of this training, I'm going to be calling this dashboard Jira training. Okay. And then I would be setting this to, I want everybody within the organization to be able to see this dashboard. There's a difference between being able to see and being able to edit. So just because they can view, they still would not be able to make any changes to the dashboard if you've not given them the edit permission to do that. So everybody can have access to it. That's absolutely fine. Unless, of course, you have specific need or requirements or sensitive information that you don't want people to have access to, then yes, you can either make it private to yourself only, to your team members only, or to the organization, depending the setup that you have in your organization. So for this, I will change it to organization so everybody can view. Remember to always click on the add button. So that's done. So this is the key part, yeah, the editors. So you want to make sure you have at least 2 people as editors to your dashboard, just only because you're not around, you're on holiday or you're on sick leave or you're just not around and there are changes that needs to be made or things happening within the dashboard. You want someone else within the team to be able to access it and make those changes when you're not around. So it's always advisable that for every dashboard, you at least have 2 people that can go in and update or modify as required. Okay, so for the purpose of this, you can use users. So you can specify the specific users that you want to be an editor to the dashboard. Bear in mind, as an editor, please make sure people that you're giving that permission to know their way around Jira, and they know what to do and how to make the updates to your dashboard. Okay, so I'm just going to be putting users. I will type in Yvette, and then remember, click on add. Once you've done this, now you can save the dashboard, and that's your dashboard created. By default, it's going to give you a blank screen. What you then need to do is then go in and add in your gadget to show the different views that you then want to see. So in my subsequent videos, I've talked about how to add gadgets to your dashboard, how to add your filters to them, and the views that you can get if you want. So please watch out for the video. Okay, so thank you for staying tuned, and I'll see you in my next video.